Welcome to the demonstration of 8051 microcontroller LED kit. So this is our 8051 microcontroller kit. Here we have the 7 segment display. These are the keys to enter the program. Here is the 8051 IC. This is the 8279 IC for display and keyboard. This is the 8255 and this is the 8253 IC. These are the 8 LEDs directly connected to port 1 of 8051. Now we'll see two things here. One, how to enter the program, and second, how to execute the program. So for entering the program, we'll press examine memory, then we'll enter the starting address of the program, and it's in this kit the start address starts from 2000. So we'll enter 2000, we'll press next. So now we are at the location 2000, and at present 67 is stored at 2000. So let's say we want to put 11 here, so we'll press 11 and then we'll press next. Whenever we press next, the data is saved and we move to the next location. Let's say at 2001 we want to store 22, so we'll press 22 and then we'll press next. So if we press next, the data is saved and we move to the next location, and if we press previous, we move to the previous location. So in this way we can enter the program. Let's say at 2003 we want to put 33, next, and at 4 we want to put 55, we'll press 55 and next. So in this way we can enter the hex code of the program, and then we'll press reset. Now to execute the program, what we'll do, we'll click on go and enter the starting address of the program, and let's say it's 2000, so we'll press 2000 and then we'll press on fill. Okay, so now what we'll do, we'll write a small program where we'll toggle the LEDs connected to port 1. So like this is the program. So now we'll enter this program. So we'll go to examine memory 2000, next. So we'll click on 75, next, 90, next, 55, next, 12, next, 20, next, 14, next, 12, next, 20, next, 14, next. We are at 2009, 75, next, 90, next, AA, next, 12, next, 20, next, 14, next, 12, next, 20, next, 14, next. We are at 2012, so 01, next, 00, then 79, FF, 7A, FF, DA, FE, and now we'll be at 2000A. We'll put D9, FA, and 22. We have entered the program. Now let's just execute it. Go and press fill. So now we can see that the LEDs are toggling. So we have successfully learned how to enter the program, how to execute the program, and we have also executed one of the programs of toggling the LED. So thank you for watching this video.